Hello guys, welcome to another video. My name is Deji, and today I'm going to be showing you how to build a landing page for your online business. Now the good thing about landing pages is that it helps you filter your leads and pre-frame those who are eventually going to become your contacts. So the tool we are going to be using is our website and Thrive Architect. Now if you don't have Thrive Architect, I'm going to leave a link in the description that can help you get it, and I'm also going to leave my contact, so just in case you run into some problems, you can shoot me a message on WhatsApp and I'll be there to help you fix it. So without further ado, let's get started. So right now I'm going to go into my website, and then I'm going to go to all pages. I'm going to click on add new. So I'm going to name this page. I'm going to be creating a landing page for crypto, so I'm just going to name it Crypto Money, and then I'm going to click on publish. I'm going to click on publish again, and then now my page is live. So I'm going to go back to all pages, and then I'm going to search for Crypto Money. So let me refresh that. Okay, so here it is. So now that I can see my new page, I'm going to click on edit with Thrive Architect. Thrive Architect is the page builder I use in building my pages on my website. One thing you should have done is that before you build your landing page, you should have written down everything you're going to be using on the page. It should have like a draft, so that when you're building it, it's really easy. So you're saying page unresponsive. I'm just going to exit that. I'm going to close this. I'm going to go back and reopen that page. Okay, so everything we're going to be doing here is going to be step by step. I'm not going to be editing any part of the video. If I'm making any mistake, we're going to be correcting it together, and I'm going to ensure the video is not too long. So the first thing we'll have to do is to click on this that says change templates. So over here you have a lot of templates. Now the mistake you don't want to make is you don't want to begin to go into all of this trying to get the best template. You're just going to drown in so much options. For example, if you click here, you see all of these options. All of these things are going to begin to open up. Now the easy way to go about it is to come to filter templates by tag. So I'm just going to click this, and then I'm going to select video because I want to create a video landing page. You have other options. You have sales page, you have application pages, and all that stuff. So I'm going to untick this. I'm going to untick this. I only want to create a video landing page. So now that I've clicked on video, I'm going to come here and select from these options. Now these options have been streamlined, so it makes it easier for me to pick the one I like. So let's try this and let's see what it's like. So I'm going to click on choose template. So what you're basically doing is you're going to just be editing these templates with your own write-up. So let's see. Okay, so this is nice, but I don't think this is what I want. So I'm going to go back to change templates. Okay, I'm going to go back to filter. I'm going to select video. Okay, let's see this. I'm gonna choose that. Okay, let's see what this looks like. Okay, this is really simple and straight to the point. So this is something I want. So I can quickly click on this tab, see what's going to look like on the tab, and then click this to see what's going to look like on a mobile phone. So now that we know what it looks like on a mobile phone, we'll just come back here to the computer, what it looks like on the PC, and then edit all of these stuffs. So I'm going to open my notepad. I'm going to copy what I've already written. So I'm going to copy this, and then I'm going to replace it with this. Okay, discover how to earn money with a decentralized smart contract on the Binance Smart Chain. Okay. Let's put this in the middle. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to change this red background to something else. I don't want this red background. So to do that, I'm going to click on this background section. And then I'm going to come here and click on background style. And then I'm going to click on this red. And then I'm going to copy the color code which I want. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to copy. And then I'm going to paste. Okay, so this is the color. I think I prefer this color. I'm going to apply that. And then the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to change the color of this part of the text. So to do this, I'm going to click on main option. I'm going to click here. I want something that is like gold or yellow. So let's see, I'm going to move this a little bit. I'm going to choose this. I'm going to apply it. Okay, that's okay. And then now that we have done that, the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to put another section on top of this text. So to do that, I'm going to click on add elements, and then I'm going to click on content box, but I'm going to move this up above background section. Yes. And now I'm going to add a text. I'm going to come here. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to copy this. And then I'm going to paste it here. I'm going to delete all of this stuff. And then I'm going to center this piece. Then I'm also going to change the color of this background section. So to do that, I'm going to go to background style. And then I'm going to click on this. I'm going to copy the color which I want. I'm going to paste it. Okay, this is black. So I'm going to make this bigger, bolder and bigger. Gonna make it bolder and bigger. I'm also gonna increase the font size. Let me increase that to 30. So let's see what this page is beginning to look like. Okay. What can we do here more? Okay, the color of this text, let me see if I can still change that. The color of this text, I want it to be white, so I'm gonna move this to white. I'm gonna apply. Okay, so it's better, it stands out better. And now I'm going to include an image. So I'm going to click on this, and then I'm going to drag this image box, and I want it to be below this text. So I have images I've already uploaded to my WordPress website, so I'm just going to choose it right here, and then I'm going to click on insert. So what I'm going to do next is to center this image. So to do that, I'm going to click on layout and position, and then I'm going to click this option. So there you have it, ready to stack your wallet with cryptocurrency. And then you have all of these logos here. Then it says discover how to earn money with a decentralized smart contract on the Binance Smart Chain. Let me make this bold. I can also make this bold. Earn money, bold. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to embed a video to this page. Because that's why I'm using a video landing page, so that anyone that comes on this page can either click on the video, watch it, and then have an idea of what the page is about before clicking on this call to action button, the sign up today. So to do that, I'm going to click on this video area. I'm going to come here, and then I'm going to click on main option, and then it says source YouTube URL. So what that simply means is I'm just going to copy the video URL and paste it here. So to do that, we'll just go to YouTube. Let me just go to YouTube and grab one video URL. While we're waiting for that to load, we can still continue to work on other things. So I'm gonna delete this. You're gonna delete everything you don't want on the page. So this, I'm gonna change this. Like I said, you need to have all what you're going to be using in a notepad. So I'm going to paste this here, powered by the other side of money, and then I'm not going to be touching any of this. I'm just going to leave this as is. What I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to be editing what's in those places with my own stuffs. So I'm going to paste. I'm gonna come back here. I'm gonna copy this. Majority of the design work has been done for you. All you have to do is edit to tastes. You don't want to begin to do all the designs yourself. You don't want to edit too much, so these pages do not lose their tastes. I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna paste, and then sign up today. I'm gonna leave that as is. I'm only going to change the color of this sign up button. So to do that, I'm gonna come here. I want something similar to what I used for that text. Oh, this is yellow. Let's make that darker a little bit. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it like this. I'm gonna click on apply. So let's go back to YouTube, and then let me see my videos. I'm just gonna copy the link of one video and make use of it for this page. So let me look for a video that has to do with cryptocurrency on my website. So I'm gonna copy this, get shareable link. So I've copied the link. I'm gonna come back here and I'm gonna paste that link here. Pastes. So that's it. So by the time I reload this page, this video is gonna appear here. So let me click on save work. Okay, so that's it. That's appeared. So I think I'm done. Like, easy peasy, no long thing. Ready to stack your wallet with cryptocurrency for Sage, Binance BUSD. Discover how to earn money with a decentralized smart contract on the Binance Smart Chain. And then you have this nice little video right here. And then you have all of this stuff, and then you have a call to action. So once they click here, they're either going to go to your WhatsApp contacts or your email list. Now, to connect your email list or your WhatsApp contacts, all you have to do is just click on this button, click here, and then it says target URL. So what you do is you just paste your WhatsApp link or your email service provider, the link to the list, you just paste it here. And once you do that, you click on save, and that's it. So you can see how to create a landing page using Thrive Architect. And then you can edit all of these stuffs here, put your company name and all that stuff. So I'm just gonna put the Infomaniac. Disclaimer. You can link your disclaimer page to this word over here, so that when someone clicks here, it takes them to your disclaimer page, and you have everything set up nice and clean. So that's it, guys. So let me just click on phone to see what this looks like on the mobile phone. So you see it's really clean and easy. So that's it, guys. I've said everything I have to say. It's your turn. Let me know what you have to say in the comments. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.